This is Talvi Priya of ECEC. Today's my seminar topic is about semiconductors. First, semiconductors are divided into mainly two types: elementary semiconductors, non-elementary semiconductors. The example, silicon and germanium. For non-elementary semiconductors, example combination of second and sixth and third and fifth group elements. Elementary semiconductors are mainly divided into two types: intrinsic semiconductors, extrinsic semiconductors. Intrinsic semiconductors are pure silicon or germanium semiconductors. Extrinsic semiconductors are impure semiconductors. Again, extrinsic semiconductors are of two types: p-type semiconductors and n-type semiconductors. P-type semiconductors are pure silicon doped with third group elements. N-type semiconductors are pure silicon doped with fifth group elements. Non-elementary semiconductors are divided into non-elementary stoichiometrical semiconductors, non-elementary non-stoichiometrical semiconductors. That is, A is to B equal to 1 is to 1 for stoichiometrical semiconductors. For example, binary gap, INP, NAS, PBS, etc. For non-elementary non-stoichiometrical semiconductors, A is to B is equal to 1 is to 1, not equals to 1 is to 1. The examples are given. The next topic is controlled valency semiconductors. The conductivity of semiconductors are controlled by adding small conduction of impurities. The addition of these impurities will bring limited changes in their electrical properties are known as controlled valency semiconductors. Or this can be simply said as the simple resistance of various semiconductors are controlled by adding small concentration of impurities. Example, NiO doped with small concentration of lithium oxide. Li2O, nitrogen oxide doped with small concentration of lithium NiOOH. CO cobalt oxide doped with small concentration of Li2O. BaTiO3 is doped with small concentration of La plus 3. The conductivity of pure NiO is about 10 power minus 10 Siemens centimeter inverse, wherein the same NiO 10% of the nickel atoms are replaced with lithium atom. Its conductivity improved by 10 power minus 1 Siemens centimeter inverse. The conductivity of pure BaTiO3 is improved by adding trivalent ions such as La plus 3 ions. The example is as given. The controlled valency semiconductors are also prepared by making solid solutions of Fe3O4 with such as MgCr2O4, ZnFe2O4 and ZnTiO4. The next topic is chalcogen semiconductors or photoconductors or light sensitivity semiconductors. The chalcogens SETE with more electropositivity elements like B, Al, gallium, indium, arsenic, P, phosphorus, bismuth and lanthanoids will lead to the form of class of materials known as chalconoids. These elements with at least chalcogen elements on melting give viscous liquid. On cooling, these liquids will produce gases called chalcogen gases. These gases behaves like semiconductors. Their electrical conductivity increases in the pressure of light, hence they are known as photoconductors or light sensitive semiconductors. As2SC3 is excellent, well known as photoconductor. They are used in photocopying process. Use it to make rewritable CD, DVD disc, fiber optics, chemical sensor systems. Preparation of semiconductors. Production of semiconductors grade silicon. Silica SiO2 is heated with a metallurgical coke in an electrical furnace produce metallurgical grade silicon, that is SiO2 plus 2 carbon gives rise to Si plus 2 CO. Here 90 to 99% pure metallurgical grade silicon, 2 CO plus O2 gives rise to 2 CO2. To obtain semiconductors grade silicon, it has further purified. Metallurgical grade silicon is first treated with impurities like iron and copper and are removed. Finally reduced by the H2 gas yield semiconductors grade polycrystalline silicon. Si plus 3HCl gives rise to SiHCl3 plus H2. Trichlorosilicane SiHCl3 subjected to fractional distillation removes impurities like Fe and Cu. Finally, purified trichloride saline subjected to reduction yields semiconductors grade polycrystalline silicon. SiHCl3 plus H2 gives rise to Si plus 3HCl. Thank you.